Anyway, again, welcome to my reading of Positive Words. It is January 25th, 2021. And I'm gonna. Okay. Breathe. Today, I will judge nothing. I will move through my day feeling gratitude. I am grateful. I am flourishing. I am safe. With each passing moment, I am achieving a deeper peace. I am balanced. I am ease. I am the positivity that I am choosing to create. I am holding myself tall, core tight, shoulders relaxed, head high, mind's eye open. I am mindful. I am kindness. I am calm. I am rising above the chaos. I am serenity. I am tranquil. I am composed. I am grounded. I am allowing myself time throughout the day to practice silence. I am thoughtful. I am relaxed. I am moderation. I am a multi-layered fluid soul. Each step that I am taking is bringing me nearer my purpose. I am unafraid. I am fearless. I am moving forward in confident positivity. I am a wondrous soul, and I am secure in this path. I am a traveler through this life, and this body is my vessel. I am keeping my body healthy with exercise and by eating nutritious foods. I am releasing gluttony. I am keeping my mind healthy through rest and meditation. I am enlightened. I am adding positivity and value to each of my situations. Breathe. Inhale positivity. Exhale negativity. Today, I am recognizing my worth. I am more than worthy. I am more than valuable. I am more than enough. I am exquisite. I am shifting my energy. I am radiating positivity. I am radiating kindness. I am radiating gratitude. I am grateful. I am aware that each thought that I am thinking is contributing to my truth. I am creating. I am imagining. I am shaping. I am prosperous. I am utilizing my talents and creativity to the fullest extent. I am taking the necessary steps to achieve my goals. I am moving forward in positivity. I am moving forward in light. I am aware. I am one with nature. I am taking this moment to stop, to breathe, to appreciate the beauty that is this life. This is an amazing life, and I am living an amazing day. I am putting my hands to my heart and feeling the warmth that my body generates. I am holding myself tall, core strong, shoulders relaxed, head high, mind's eye open. I am radiating positivity, gratitude, and love to the universe. I am grateful. I am grateful for all that I am. I am grateful for all that I have yet to be. And I'm grateful for you, beautiful soul. Breathe. I am sending my thanks to my higher power. Thank you for joining me on my journey. Yeah, the geese were a little loud in the end, eh? Anyway. Well, happy Monday, and I will be back on Wednesday. Thanks for joining me, and peace out.